In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 areas every man must focus on. So recently I did a post sharing about the top 5 areas every man must focus on, because these are the 5 areas or levers that will help you move your life forward, and you will not be stuck, and it will help you create an abundant and fulfilling life. Have you heard of the good life? It means health, wealth, love, relationships and happiness. So but these that is the good life. But let me share with you what I've recently shared on my Instagram, so that you can get a better understanding of what are the top 5 areas that you must focus on, because this will help you accelerate your life much faster. Because if you focus on other areas of your life that are outside these 5 areas, you will have minimal to no returns. But these are the 5 areas that you must focus on, so that your life will move forward and you will have these essentials in your life. So let's take a look at it. If you want to learn how to make money online, and if you're new to how to making money online, I want you to check out the link in the description below, because I'm going to show you how you can use the internet, and I'm going to share with you the fundamentals of internet marketing, so that you can start right now and actually build your influence online and start making that at least $10,000 per month, which is equal to 6 figures per year. So check the link in the description below and enroll in the internet marketing fundamentals course. Right now I'm having an offer, so if you are among the first 150 people, you get to get a huge steep discount. So make sure to take advantage of that course. It's in the link in the description below. I'll plug it in. Make sure to enroll in, because after 150 spots are taken, the price will go up. So you'll get to know what the price is, and what a huge steal you'll be able to take advantage of this offer. So make sure to check it out. So the 5 areas that every man must focus on is, in today's day and age, is number 1, health and fitness. Number 2, money and wealth creation. Number 3, dating and relationships. Number 4 is personal development. Number 5 is lifestyle and building a brand. For most men, these are the top 5 areas that you must focus on, because if you do not take care of these 5 areas, you're going to have a hard time. You must focus on health and fitness, because without health and fitness, you're going to suffer, and you're not going to be able to make money and create wealth or get rich, whatever your objective is. And the third thing is, once you make money, you'll obviously be looking to get into dating and relationships. So if you do not learn about dating, do not learn about game, do not learn about male and female dynamics, don't learn about intergender dynamics, don't understand psychology, don't understand human behavior, or male nature, female nature, if you don't understand how they operate, don't understand how they think, you'll have a hard time with dating and relationships. And the fourth area that you need to focus on is personal development. What do I mean by personal development? You need to focus on reading books which will help you keep your mind going. You need to listen to experts in particular areas, and take the right information in. You need to invest in courses. You need to invest in personal development. You need to actually invest in books, courses, mentors, videos, programs, anything that will help you develop personally, and it will help you move from stage 1 to stage 5 and stage 10 and so on and so forth. It will help you move forward, because life will always throw challenges at you, and if you are not personally developed, you will have a hard time focusing facing those challenges. And imagine you are in a dating scenario where you have not personally developed, you are undecisive, you're not able to lead, you're not confident, you are not able to think logically, you're not able to think rationally, you're not able to make a decision and lead the relationship. uh, Women will leave because they don't like a person who's undecisive, who's not able to lead, who's not able to make decisions, who's not able to say the right things, who's not good taking care of themselves. And there are so many other areas that you need to work on, because when you're focusing on your business also, life will throw challenges at you. Your business also go through struggles, or maybe you're trying to work out, or maybe you're trying to create a YouTube channel. Somewhere down the line, some other curve will come and stop, will prevent you from achieving that goal. So if you focus on personal development, you will actually grow. The more you grow, the more your income grows, the more your lifestyle grows, more your health, wealth, relationship, and everything else grows. So focus on personal development. And fifth thing is focus on creating a healthy lifestyle and building a brand. What do I mean by lifestyle? You need to know, are you in the lower end of the social economic status, or at the higher end, higher tier? People at the lower end, they will think about, they talk about people, what this person is doing, what that person is doing. But if you focus on the higher end, they talk about things, how to get things done, they talk about ideas. So and your lifestyle will be much better. You will be earning more, which will be enough to provide for your life, for your for your living situations, and